Haya, mwirarari wa Muthingi TV, karibuni sana. Muthenya leo ngi haria watu na haha ukamenya ni about anything, nothing and everything. Ha makiria tukoragwo tukiaria ciegie relationships. Oho tukaria horo wegie ndugu o yothe. Oho tukaria maundu maria maikoretwo makihutia kana ni family, kana ni urata, kana ni aciari. Aciothe tukoragwo tugikiaririria haha. Karibuni sana. Ino ni gatha cito gukori kwa Muthingi TV. Ni getka wa boy wa jao na ndio kaganyika kuona ati ngirira muruna wakwa muthenya wa umuthi kana hindi ciothe
na ni ngetwa Bilha Nyaguthii naririkana no ukorwo kiaraniria na ithui nenda-ini cito ciothe nicio Muthingi TV, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere Muthingi TV.
Follow us. Ni undu wa following. Muthenya wa umuthi kana hihi muthenya kana kiumia kihituku ni twaikorwo tukiaria uhoro wigi long distance agikona muko mukiririkana twaikorwo atukihutia ciigi long distance ningi ho twaikorwo tukiaria uhoro wigi talking stage na riu ri ane twakinya hau kana hihi ni twakinya ithuothe ni twakorwo long distance ni ya work ni twathie ni twa push ni twakinya handu ni twaremanwo. How do we detach from ndugu icio ni twakinya riu handu riu ni tuona atiriri nie nawe tutingihotana tuko detach from relationships?
I think the first step ikoragwo iri ya minimize communication. If at all ni wa feel now I don't want to go further with this person, no go muramenyerete kwaragia muthenya ugathii ukatite communication
kamera I'm glad
plan ko move out otene.
I'm glad you're okay. No, I feel like the first I feel like the first stage ya ku detach ni ku accept. You know, all the first step of healing ni ku acceptance. The moment wale ku accept that it's not working for us. Ukoraga in a hard time ya gwitikira atiriri this person is not for you. The first step I think ni ku accept that it's not working. Alafu we mwenyewe ukageria ku understand what will work for you, because probably the more you talk to them the more you're losing interest. You know, there's someone who
you are trying to say that you see when someone when words don't meet actions.
Exactly. Ukakora he mundu, there's someone who wants to talk to you more nigetha agathie akiruzaga kiria ciaku. There's someone who akwenda cut off completely. There's someone who endaga tu nginya kwe guthama nginya itura
ni undu waku. Do you
know, it's one thing that is very hard and notice, especially with like when I did where I'm in the early 20s. I find women having a lot of hard time could detach from it, because nimageta ko feel like the people they love at first mashiragia near there lovers. And then unapatanga mundu tocio ri ni arakorwo probably ni aragererio hinda irito, but they don't see because makoragwo me blinded. But the moment agoka ko kujijua ethia goka kwimenya ni agoka ku realize, oh, I didn't have to put with that.
I saw an on TikTok ka poster dio kagugeta poster, but you see those tunini writings tukoragwo TikTok, and then kwina music like you got today. No one knows how I prayed to God to unlove a man.
That is sad.
I know, but not all got there. For a woman, women tend to love more than men. So koraga, like, it's taking you a lot of time to detach, to heal from that person. To do amwedire na ngoro yaku yothe ginya ndwetigeirie kawendo egwega kuona kanini uguo.
Afu ni koraga airetu igire the moment we fall in love, because we have been there,
everyone has fallen there.
Na no ginya gukorwo there is always that one relationship inakugonga kitukio
inakumess.
But it's a good mess. It's a good mess because nekolisetanga. Okay, kwena aria there are people who just lose it all, and there are those who are messed up magakorwo good people, because you find like the moment you fall in love. Let me use a very good example of someone I know. Her career was going so well, very well. Ulikuwa unaona mundu ni check, mtu wake check. Remo kire gutigana ri okire akihana tathi, okire akihwa fiu, si career, si nini. When the moment we as women love, netwekoraga we give our everything. Like we koraga ginya career yaku, you're not urenda gutinda tu na mundu uyo.
I think ni ginya ugekira mentality yaku atirere ndungithie na mbere utari na mundu uyu. like umecreate ucreate tega kiria
karapo.
Yes, that this person must be there in order for you to succeed. In order for you to go on in life, you must have this person, and it's not true. As long as you got yourself, you are good to go.
And that's why you find, and I'm not trying to justify anything. A lot of GBV, gender-based violence, nyingi ikoragwo ni andu aria they are too much in love. Because nona haro ndiambagia na guka kuhundu andu ambagia na ruhi. Haro yambagia na unajua nitakutandika. Na unajua nitakufanya. Were ugatheka hizi ni chap. Mtu wangu hizi ni
ni kusema tu.
The moment ulera attack uguo your friends are warning you against it, but ukoragwo hizi ni guzo ni kusema tu. Afu ukabia ginya we mwenyewe kugatiriri mimi nilimkosea.
Actually on a story ria nyingi tuiguaga cia GBV ri uigua mundu cia kiuga atiriri ati ni atuiria njirani akandema no nie ndioyaga undu ucio no ritu. Yeah, and then finally it happens.
Afu ningi ugakora riri these people ni makoragwo na gwicokia kwa ndiratiga mundu uyu thieko. And I hate, if there's one thing I hate is that mentality. Ati sasa namwacha alikuwa ananitumia do, sasa namwacha nilikuwa nakaa kwake, sasa namwacha kwetu sijui kuna kaa aje. Ene tafa kwa nyuma itaikomi.
Ona gugita hagwo mai kangosho
kafato bieko kafaka gosho mani.
I think most people maga kwehera ginya in toxic relationships ni undu woguo. And then tukariganirwo God is the provider. Toginya okorwo hau ati niguo wikire New Balance ati tondu mundu ucio ni arakugurira New Balance, you can go ahead urute wira na wigurire New Balance yaku, because no one knows about tomorrow.
Afure I think plus ni twagirire rere the people who andu aya twanakorwo miaka-inio, we have gone through that. We all have gone through those things. The people who are that age ni twagire gukorwo tukimera atiriri mimi I did this. These were my mistakes. And I did this and this and this. No, niko da overcome. For you, you're going through this. Me, I can tell you for free. Do you know, nwera murata wako atirere, mimi mtu wangu ako hivi. Murata wako akakwira atirere, ni how did you
na kwirire oguo niki
akabia gukwira atirere, in as much as probably doko mutigari, punguza how you're giving yourself to him. Stop being so available to him. Ukabia kuga ria moda na modo waku
una act fishy
moda na modo waku kabi kugatirire. Unajua tabiri alikuwa ameniambia ni kuache
huyo dema na kuanga na wivu, sijui ama ni Johana mtu ako single.
Modo waku nake kabi kumwira atirire na nilikuona
achana na friendship ya huyo dem. Nisiwahi kuona na huyo msichana.
Afu you see toxic people, especially narcissists, they make sure that everything that was making you happy ni ehera. These people will make sure that wewe no atigana akaona mwanyura gukenagia maige. If you used to tell your mom your problems, amekaga sure nigira gatagati gaku exactly. Agikorwo muraragia muno na Wambui aka make sure Wambui is out of the picture.
Ona ari kurehagira kiundu gia gukuonia Wambui ti mwega.
Exactly. And the worst thing about narcissists is that makoragwo mari andu wega muno. Nona andu wega kuri andu guy ona
ucio people's pleaser
ucio mundu ukirugama MCA mani dararugama MCA na ni eri mwega, but akwa gwaku ri akoragwo enyamu. And then these people make sure that when we shokia they make sure that you are the problem. Yani kabisa they make sure you uko na tirere. Ati unajua mimi hata sikukucheat juu nilikuwa nataka. Mimi nilikucheat juu ulikuwa unanipest. Ukarigwa
cheating is a choice.
It is, but they don't show you that you are the problem. You're the reason why I did cheat. But let me tell you, if there's people kama kuna watu na ngora wohete gitio, it's someone who comes out from a narcissist, akeruga mioguo na agathi na mbere. Those people ndokana makuwa wana ringi.
Yeah, true. Na ginya makoragwa maumite ho makimenya uria matareyo imbere.
Then what about the moment you're detaching, because we're talking about detaching, at the moment you're detaching, do you feel like both parties makoragwo in peace when you're coming to detach? Nimakona thayo kweli?
Me, I think it's always good to change your mind.
About what?
angĩkorwo nĩ ũrona like people fall out of love itigwo so you have to make peace with that nĩ ndĩrendete Wambui no rĩu harĩa nginyĩte ndiramwendete ũrĩa ndiramwendete. I don't know why people fall out of love, but people do fall out of love.
I feel like people fall out of love because they are really expectations. Wambui ngĩthiĩ kũdate mũndũ fulani, there's a picture I had about him.
There are things he used to do for you.
Not even things he used to do for me. To know he did so many things for me. No, most of the time we get the expectation ya umtu najua akiingia kwa hapa he'll be kind, he'll be humble. Any of the first picture aikuonirie. Oh niguo ekiruga.
It could be niguo akuonirie and then you created that nini. You ukireka igire into your mind.
Yeah,
because he was nice to you on the first day, so you thought he will always be nice to you.
Plus ukikira expectation nyingi cia rere nitwingira na relationship na expectation ne like may feel like relationships twagire guthii a step at a time. A step at a time, because no kore mundu probably wewe ura date for marriage
and someone else is dating for fun.
The other person is dating you for fun. Ugakora
niko past time before a parted the love of his life.
Exactly. Na darakwira atirire niire amie haha ndigihoto. I feel like it's always good.
Na nikyo it's good to change ginya go change your mind. Ungigira in a relationship one uri urendaga tiguo kurathie ri. It's okay to change your mind.
But how
you just change your mind one now kurathie tiguo ndira expectaga and this is not what I want.
Joriere, the first thing we fall out of love there. What are you supposed to do? Because you know there's always that urge of acha nimtext.
Now that is where honesty comes in. Era mudo tu handu hotida ye mukiaria na ni uramenya we uraria to just for the sake of talking. You no longer love this person. Tell them, Wambo, you see a few days back
I loved you very much.
I used to love you like
nilikuwa nimekuona nasema ni hapa.
Ulikuwa mtu wangu.
Saa hizi
lakini sasa hivi wenye nasikia sijui yo mapenzi imeenda wapi.
But if it's easy,
no, it's not easy and it's sad really go ikaria mundu thio kamwira ati ni ndirakwendete Thursday
no ga yarakwenda makiria
Wambui ndirona ngikwenda ringi uria ndirakwendete.
But do you feel generation area turere, do you feel like they tell people ama wana replacing it? Do they just
imagine wana replacing it to a step ugakora mtu wako amepost mtu wake status na ndarako hitha egwe only for the respect of someone you love
na kandika caption weke honga yukarigwo mimi hata hujaniandikia hivyo.
People damage other people out here emotionally.
But I feel clearly when we are falling in love, let us fall in love with mature people.
Exactly.
Because you see, and na nekyo dakuraga hedu egetiriri communication because dokiraga rucini ukai na ndirigwa omothe ndirigwa kwariria Bilha omothe ndiraigwa na hanini. It's something that you've been contemplating, nikindu ukoretwo geciria again and again, but you're afraid of saying it.
And it's so sad. Okay, that modo you have a boyfriend and you know very well he asked you to be the girlfriend. Agigukirira uguo agacoka agakwira atiriri hey mimi sikuwa nasikia kuongea na wewe Wambu. Actually, like I needed some time for myself. That is why I disappeared for like 2 days.
Then why don't you tell me that?
It's so sad, especially haria mu created boundaries here. I'm the girlfriend, you are the boyfriend.
Yeah.
It's so sad. Me, I don't care how you are. I don't care if you are an introvert. Ngakawe do isho shi on the shit hawo wo. Heka story kanga whatever.
Nonchalant.
Hiyo jina iko overused.
Exactly.
Kila mtu anajitetea ati yeye ni nonchalant.
There's nonchalant for that. Who? No na modo kwendete. You see someone who loves you no matter how introverted they are.
They will make an effort.
Exactly to call you gukwariria ati kuna post donate ndo makiuga atirire ati whenever in love we really don't have to be talking every then why we being in love?
Why did you want me to be your girlfriend?
Exactly.
If you don't want to talk to me every day.
Are you for the idea of these people, especially makiuga me nonchalant kana me whatever.
Your jina iko overused, by the way. Stop using that word. You are not nonchalant. Wewe ni mtu mbaya. Mtu mzima mbaya, mtovu wa nidhamu.
Hajui kujiongea. Hey, Kemodoroga, are you for the idea of if someone is like that, you get an open relationship?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You are the one who's nonchalant. Why are you involving me in your nonchalant issues? I'm not nonchalant. I know how to communicate.
Are you for? Can you do an open relationship?
No.
Why?
Why would I be comfortable with my boyfriend
having another person? Now would you? Well, I'm old for that.
It doesn't even make sense. Why are we even dating in the first place if we go open to an open relationship?
But if this person is not giving you the comfortability you need, and he has given you the option, ya guthieja.
Totigetigane athie job. It's not funny. But
what are you doing with me?
Ikifika unataka an open relationship, acha tu tuachane. You go do that open relationship mahali siko.
Open with
everyone and anyone that you want.
I feel like open relationship ndienda kuhuthira kiugo giki, but it encourages a lot of hoism.
Yeah.
Because
actually ni hoism ikahakwa maguta.
Yeah, niko sinya maguta. Because I feel like if kabisa you really in a relationship with someone, why would you tell this person they have an option of being loved by someone else?
Hey.
Ati leo ni babo ino thio kiendo ni jega na ko uwe ni hakwale. I love you but I'm still with you, but you can have someone else.
Me atuachane tu roho safi. Unataka an open relationship? Tuachane, waenda ukadate Wanja, Njoki, Kimani, wenda kudate ginya Kimani, go do whatever you want.
The worst thing about open relationships is that nona model, if especially you are sharing a house, ukoraka anakwenda na leo sikuje home mapema juu niko na mtu fulani.
Would you even call that your boyfriend?
No, I can't.
Exactly. Because there's no need. Go home wherever you want to go.
I've seen that thing on TikTok, and it's so shaming, it's so bad, it's disgusting to say the least. Todo, tell me why. Tell me why this man he's not even a husband. You know, there's a difference between a husband and a boyfriend.
Yeah, true.
A husband bringing a second wife, I think it's okay. Not really okay, but ni sawa. But tell me why you're dating someone. This someone jegana ni aradate. Akajira atirire ni ndihota gwika na mundu umwe. Agakurehe. And then the problem is darakurehe hakuleti nikiwa kama siyuko. Niko. Atire nyinyi the moment you're having your you time ni deliko gemurugira. Yes, I'm in the kitchen cooking. The moment me I want our we time.
Well, am I getting paid for?
No, you're not. You're dating a man, yo. You're dating. Like, it's so disgusting. Nadue, I don't know why people are making it look. I don't know why this generation is. It's not normal. That
it's mental torture.
Exactly.
It's mental torture. Na kwagira ginya mundu uri ongi gitio.
Eginya kwagira ginya mwire waku gitio because how agiko ama I don't know what generation we are turarera, but
anyway,
me the jealousy in me, hey, I cock a message.
The peace in me wouldn't allow me to date a man who is open to such nonsense. But nonsense, because
what will that man, and this is a question I've been asking, will this man be comfortable ukona iretu so far darete iretu atatu? Actually four. Why will this man date 4 girls, but the 4 girls can't have their people? And the moment mwiretu mwenye aikoriwa kiyeheria, mwiretu mwenye eheria it became an issue. Hata alikuwa anafanya mwili yake ilikuwa ina, and then
it became an issue to the man ama to the other women.
To the man. And then he has the audacity to discuss the bedroom affairs
Live
naitwa yake. Yes, live. Akamera hata alikuwa sijui ananuka aje, hata alikuwa sijui anafa. Yo, what are we?
Hadi harufu.
Maroga ate mwiretu uyu agadoe kuhuthira gashawa, agadoe kuhuthira gakiria, agadoe kuhuthira
First of all, I think
washing machine.
I think that man is a narcissist.
And he's sick in the head.
And ucio ginya giteo ageire we mwenyewe yagicoka kwagira iretu ayangie nayo abite ye mwenyewe, he doesn't respect it. He's not a desirable man.
Exactly.
Because ucio ti mundu ngirorera ugo uge, oh, I would want to date nah,
but
you will be disgusted.
Funny story is that girls wako DM yake.
Or they want to date him.
Yes.
They are so comfortable with that open relationship.
Yes, they are very okay.
Hey, we are different though.
They're different. There's the papers here. There are 10 of them. Each one, sisi wote tunapata 5. Tutiri arakaru. Tuli arakaru. So you pick a paper, you look at the question, you jibu.
God.
Yeah.
I know. Newton.
Nyabie, ni ukabia kana nyabie.
Hey, let me start.
Please start. Please start.
How important is vulnerability with your partner?
Ah, okay. Well, Linda's okay. No, it's not me, it's you. The question is yours.
I thought I'm asking the question, you answer, and then you ask
No,
me,
no,
I
no,
answer.
it's you. When you rather makiuria.
Gashoka.
Yeni.
Hey, mnanimaliza bana. You want to finish me completely?
Malizwa.
Vulnerability. How important is vulnerability with your partner? Tigo can make your partner amenye your fears. You are most vulnerable. I think it's okay. I think it's very important. Todokuria kiroria, how important is vulnerability with your partner?
Yeah, nigetha ginya nakamenya riri where to cross and where not to cross.
And then ginya agiko nijigwa agwa ya gweka kaundu kanari, and it's important and it's something that should be done. Nigo chip in, comfort you na gwere na go motivate do this. Dokaiwe woya, people got nothing on you, this is about you.
Plus, I feel like it's a kind of intimacy flani.
Exactly, getting to know the other person better.
Exactly. Haya, nina nigioririo. Hey, jamani, ati how do young people view faith and spirituality today? Yo,
hey, that's
faith
a
and
tough
spirituality.
question.
I would say it's 50-50. Because especially you will see some youths wako, they're very okay. They are very I have seen kwena, I think ne Bishop kanike certain Gen Z lady akoni nikanda ACK kane PCA. I'm not quite sure, but there's a Gen Z who is very very yes very
young. Is a pastor,
yes,
bishop?
I think na Bishop kanike, but she akoko hiyo rank kubwa.
Actually ona nitokothia ginya pale archives toko gakora youth preaching, worshiping.
I think it's 50-50. For me, I would say 50-50. Kwena alia
meteketi gaya kwa
the devil has taken
Satan.
Yeah. Okay.
On to the next.
And to the next one. Well, hi, kejulia gyakwa. What role does communication play in a relationship? It's everything. Communication is everything. I know your good times, your bad times. Communication is everything. Like it's the center of a relationship. If we don't communicate, we are totally not in it.
Exactly. Well, here's mine.
Okay.
What defines success for young people today?
Ate?
What defines success for young people today?
Okay.
Riule. Mureda juga ni nenda cio kinyaniria.
Nenda cio kinyaniria maugete agikorwo nduraikara in apartment.
Hey, magitwiraga you have to shake your behind. Niguo ngigia na following.
And you have to post your man, my man.
Na kiria na bishade koria na bikini.
Yes.
Nikibarizi. I think most people mareciria niyo success, but it's not. It's not. Because you are posting your nudes on TikTok for everyone to see, that is not success.
For me, I feel success is when you can live at peace with yourself,
with who you
success are. Is what makes
success starts with you.
Exactly.
Not
every day the things you do ititumaga uconoke, ititumaga urakare, na itumaga wikare na thayo no kauga yes. It is exactly
whatever you are doing every day nirakuonia you are making progress in life. I think that is success.
Kau kangi ihenya thaa ni guthira irathira.
Ndora kahora mwereke. How do societal expectations shape the way young people live?